Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can manage commands for Bixby on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. To do so, first we need to open the settings, then scroll down and go to advanced features. Over here tap Bixby and then tap these three dots in the top right corner. Over here go to quick commands. Now over here you'll find the recommended commands, those are pre-made, and for instance if you go to daily routine, if you say good morning, then you will disable do not disturb mode, you will enable always on display, and so on and so forth. And also for good night we have the opposite. So here we can see what these commands do. We have some for productivity, we have for I'm home and work, and we also have movie time. In addition to that, we can tap this plus in the top right corner in order to create your own command. We also can switch to my commands at the bottom in order to see the list of all commands that you have created. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.